Let's use the rear derailleur to put the chain on the low side. That brings the chain right next to the frame. Here we'll tweak the front derailleur's low adjustment bolt. The space between the chain and the inside plate should be around 0.5 millimeters. Next, let's move on to the outer top. Now the chain is the farthest it can be from the frame. If the shift lever fails to bring the chain to the other side, put some tension on the wire to move it. If that doesn't work, loosen the top adjusting bolt. You can tune the top adjusting bolt like this. Tweak the top adjusting bolt so that the space between the chain and the outside plate is roughly 0.5 millimeters. Take your time and keep tweaking until you find the best position. We'll use trim adjustment to modify the front wire tension. First, let's shift from outer top to the low side. The chain is close to the front derailleur. Sometimes the chain might hit it. Trim adjustment is a minor tweak that helps prevent contact between the chain and the front derailleur. Now, could you see it? One more time in slow motion. When you do the trim adjustment, you'll need to adjust the wire tension so that the front derailleur moves to the proper position. Next, let's do the inner top trim adjustment. When the gear moves to the top, the front derailleur gets dangerously close to the chain. You can use the lever to make minor adjustments. Move the lever even more to do the shift change. The final transmission tuning step is B-tension bolt adjustment. This is the B-tension area. This one, called P-tension, makes the chain taut. B-tension keeps the sprocket and pulley apart. Move the chain to the inner low side when making adjustments. In most cases, the B-tension bolt can be very loose. Shift response is best when the sprocket and pulley are close to each other, so loosen the bolt. If there are no problems, you're set. Let's make it as tight as possible. Here's what the bolt looks like tightened. Now there is more space between the pulley and the sprocket. Can you tell the difference? If the pulley and sprocket are a good distance apart, the chain will move smoothly. But if they are too close together, they will hit each other. Loosen the B-tension bolt so that the pulley and sprocket don't hit each other. If shifting goes smoothly, tuning is complete.